sa lumalaking populasyon ng bansa at kakulangan sa pagkain na mas lumalala, ano ang papel ng mga produkto ng UPLB bilang kataas-taasang pamantasan ng bayan? The question has never been, can you? It is not even how can you. The question is, will you? How can UPLB provide unique and distinctive leadership in higher education if it does not aggressively engage with the other 113 state universities and colleges in the country, or with the more than 1,000 other private universities and colleges? How can we be a leader if we don't have followers? How can you be a general if you don't have colonels, majors, captains, lieutenants, and sergeants? The success of a leader is best measured by how he is able to make those around him better, so that eventually they also become leaders that are good as you. I ask that UPLB engage with the Suks in the most far-flung places in the country, where your expertise is most needed: in Tawi-Tawi, in Sulu, in Basilan, in Eastern Samar, in Palawan, in Batanes, in the BARM. Best of the best ang ating mga degree program at ang ating mga faculty at ang ating mga graduate. Magiging tunay na national university tayo kung tataas din ang kalidad ng faculty ng mga state universities and colleges, kung gaganda din ang kanilang mga degree program, kung tataas ang passing rate nila at mag-top 10 nila din sila sa mga licensure exam.